There's nothing worse than showing up to the gym and realizing it's crowded as hell. Now, I love basketball, but when the gym looks like this, you're not hooping, you're spectating. So to outsmart the gym crowds, I'm gonna build a bot that tells me exactly when the gym is empty before I even leave my room. This website displays live occupancy counts of my university's gym. But I don't want to check this page every single time I want to see when the gym is empty. So I'll have a bot scrape the following data for me: percent occupancy, the number of occupants, and the last date and time the counts were updated. This is a USB dongle. We'll need it to save data that we collect to our drive.
Get out.
Now we gotta assemble our Wi-Fi receiver, our GPS receiver. It's gonna help us estimate the time it takes to get to the gym. Plug in our power. And there we go. Check it out. Now it's actually on. Think it turned out pretty well? I'll need to do some digging to get my bot to scrape data for me. I'll view the page source. Second floor, that's where the basketball courts are. Why is there no second floor in this document? There's... what? Okay. Second try, we're gonna inspect this time, and we're gonna go to the network tab this time. Now we're gonna refresh the page. We're gonna fetch all the files that it refreshed. Take a look at the last one, and yes, JSON. That's what we're looking for. Payload? No. Preview? Yep, there we go. Check it out. Look at our beautiful, beautiful data. Now let's just copy the URL of this JSON page and test it in our web browser to see if it works. It does, yep, very nice. Okay, redemption time, second floor, let's see. Yes, okay, second floor, there we go. Okay, code time. We're gonna import requests because we need to request the JSON. We're just gonna paste that there. We're gonna get our URL. And then finally, we're just gonna print out our JSON file and run it. Yes, there we go, it worked. There's our scraped data. With a little bit of extra code, we'll get a big, beautiful table. But remember, we only want to get the second floor. So we'll check that the location name is the Marino Center second floor, and we'll also scrape the columns of the last count and the last date and time the counts were updated. Then we'll get the percentage capacity with fractions. We're gonna divide the last count by the total capacity. And why not save it to a CSV file? Right, here's the fun part. Now we're gonna load our data that we saved from that CSV. We're gonna get the 3 data points, the count of people, the percentage capacity, and the last date and time it was updated. And then we're gonna check, is the capacity less than or equal to 25%? That's pretty empty to me. If it is, we're gonna send us a nice little message saying to go to the gym with all 3 statistics listed: count, capacity, and time. Let's see if our bot works. All right, I'm just gonna set it next to the windowsill just to chill there. And in the meantime, I'm gonna be working on some very exciting, exhilarating, in fact, math homework and math studying for my exam. Hey! Look. See? Check it out. Gym is empty. Looks like we're good to go. So let's check it out and see if the gym is in fact empty. Side note, it's LeBron telling us that the gym is empty and to play ball. So let's listen to him. And there it was, a beautiful, empty gym, just as it was intended to be. Now, I can actually play some ball because there's not 500 other people on the court. Thank you, LeBron. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed that, please subscribe. See ya.